I got the blade finally put on. Took a little while. I had to watch another video, the YouTube video, to figure it out. Couldn't follow the instruction manual very well. That's how it goes on. You take it off. You leave the mower deck on, but you can take it off just by taking the pins, and then when you need it in the winter, just put it back on the hitch. It's hitch installed, and it moves. Bring it up, and then you press this in, and you turn whichever way you want to take the blade action. Lock it. So you got that angle. Got straight ahead. And then you can turn all the way to the right. Pretty slick. Pretty neat. It comes down like that. Weights are on, so I'm ready for winter. All I need is some chains. Got the weights on the back. Ready for winter. You could just mow with that blade on, but it's a little wide. Well, it's about as wide as that thing there, the grass catcher. Probably wouldn't be in the way much. It just bounces around. If you don't need it, I'd probably take it off. Real simple, take off. But there I go. The Snowman's snow removal of my driveway. I finally have got a snow machine. Thanks for watching.